Bollywood is gearing up for its wedding of the year as there are strong rumors about Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal tying the knot in December. Well, with the speculation gaining traction day by day, a lot of other rumors are spreading about Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal's nuptials, especially when it comes to the guest list. Earlier it was reported that director Shashank Khaitan, who has recently directed Vicky Kaushal in Govinda Mera Naam, is the first confirmed guest at his wedding with Katrina Kaif. And now a new report in an entertainment portal has surfaced which claims that 3 more guests have been confirmed for Vic Kat's marriage. Well, 3 Bollywood A-list celebrities who we are not surprised one bit are attending the ceremony: Karan Johar, Farah Khan and Zoya Akhtar, who worked with both the stars on multiple projects. While Shashank and Karan Johar are expected to appear from the groom's side, it is being reported that Farah Khan and Zoya Akhtar will make their presence felt by representing the bride. So if these reports are true, at least 4 top Bollywood celebrities have already been confirmed as guests at Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding. Meanwhile, after the speculations around their guest list, the rupees 1 lakh mehendi and how the preparations are going on, E-Times recently learned that the couple's teams have booked over 45 hotels in Ranthambore from December 7 to December 10th amid the rumors of wedding taking place on December 9 at Rajasthan's Six Senses Resort, Barwara in Savai Madhopur. An E-Times source from Ranthambore said, यहाँ बहुत सारे stars आने वाले हैं from December 7 onward. सलमान का भी सुना था कि वो December 9 को आएंगे, लेकिन फिर सुना कि वो नहीं आ रहे. चलो अब देखते हैं कौन आएगा और कौन नहीं. And yes, it is going to be a lavish affair, unlike the news that had circulated earlier. Meanwhile, Vicky's cousin sister had recently spoken about the rumors and said reports about preparations for the wedding dates are all rumors being spread in the media. The marriage is not taking place. If such a thing happens, they will announce it. In Bollywood, such rumors are often circulated and later it turns out that it was something else. They are just temporary rumors. I had a talk with my brother recently. There is nothing like that. I don't want to comment on this issue anymore. But the marriage is not taking place at the moment. Well, stay tuned to E-Times to get all the latest updates on Vic Kat's alleged wedding.